EFCC don arrest 3 men o sake of say wetin then these people dey produce fake money. These people wey their name na Sylvanus Ireka Ifechukwu, Patrick Chima Ibiam, Amijere Matthias Agbero. This one, his name even get Agbero inside. For you to know, say, him na even one kind yeye person. They talk say, na the Nigerian Police Force Intelligence Bureau, na him catch these people. It means our Nigerian police, that they really work, na they do well. Una thank you. They talk say as they catch these people now, and they can't carry this matter, enter EFCC hand, say make EFCC do this investigation. It be like say Nigeria, our forces, their head don't they correct. EFCC don't know their particular work. Police don't they know what way they supposed to. So everybody now, their brain don't they correct. So as they catch these criminals, where they come they investigate them. Now there they come know say then these people they into currency counterfeiting. That is any money. In fact, these people are being clone them. They go turn this be on a paper, be on a waiting that they use stage one. Say they go turn this thing. This thing go be like real money. Say in fact, they even get like up they get theaters, I mean operation centers around the globe. Which means say around the whole world, now then these people get offices. And not be today that they even do this thing because it dey everywhere. Not be only Nigeria, it dey outside country everywhere. And say their operational base, that is their headquarters, there for Brazil. It sure gonna be Brazil. I think say every bad thing where they happen and Nigeria now they happen. I can't surprise say this one now from Brazil. That means now Oyinbo people they even do all these kind of things. They go come transport the badness, come enter Nigeria, come give Nigeria the bad name because now only Nigeria now sabi carry attendance for bad things. Now we hear am say now Brazil now they do all these kind of things. So and say that they produce this fake currency, no be only naira they produce. So say that they produce US dollar, British pound, sterling and even euro. So they produce all this kind. According where then these people they get all this kind of machine, they produce all this kind of thing. If not be even from abroad. Because we know say Nigeria, all these kind of machines, person no could just say for Alaba market say you won't go buy this kind of thing. It means that all these Oyinbo people say for people wait outside. Now they plan this and then they always there on top of all this kind of matter what they hear. And they talk say as they take get their customers, so they get them for strategic locations like hotels. You know all these people say they go there for hotels, maybe they won't come change money. Now there all these kind of men go come say okay, they get money they want change, they will come give you fake money. Say even borrow the change. Say they go their offices. I can't be surprised. You will be borrow the change when they change money. You don't even come know original money and fake money. How person won't come collect this money, won't contain no the original, won't contain no fake. You where they change themselves, you self no. Now they say all these people where they even do their business, they don't even know their work well. Say and the last person that they do all this kind of work now for party, social gatherings. And I know say Nigerian people now know they carry last for party. So all these places where we say they go they change money, they spray money. Now there they will come. Maybe all these people will come from UK say okay, oh, they come party. Now naira they hold, they want spray dollar. Now there they will come carry this fake money enter. Now upon the reason why government talk say they don't want make people they spray money for party and they don't want make people they even change money again for party. It be like say all this kind of thing reason join. I make government think and well. And I say now our government they don't they get sense. They really think before they decide on things. Now all this kind of thing cause all these kind of things. So but as it be they don't carry these people go court. But my own now, this person waited for Brazil. And I know what time saying I will just leave this person just like that. Because this one now, you know, go stop the printing of the money. This man, if you don't hear this thing, say, and they do all this kind. This man, where if they do this thing for Brazil, if he be one kind big politician for Nigeria, wait there for that place. Now, if they do all these kind of things, but because of say they never catch him, so they supposed to do this investigation. Well, ask them these 3 men. Well, may they tell them who be the leader for that Brazil where they operate all these kind of things. Because for them to talk them, it means say they certain say Nigeria they do them, and not be only Brazil, it they everywhere. That means they get behind offices, I mean they get them for everywhere around that place. So if like say these men, they do this thing since and it their hand. So if nobody say they even catch themselves, they no go even. And I never even see Igbo bureau the change before. All these men, all of them, see their names, Matthias, Sylvanus. They just be like disciples of Jesus, but then these people they don't even they follow the way where disciples they behave. Their own now 419 ways, now they follow. All these kind of men now, see grown up men. People, papa, and I no see better work to do. Now this kind fake, and I only first time why they see Igbo Budu the change because now only Hausa people. Now I know say they always change money. This is why then this one now they can't decide say that this kind of work the one they do. I no can understand though. But this thing as it be like this, I pray say that these men, I don't know as they won't take even carry them because I sure say they go don't scam so many people of this kind of thing. You see where person go even carry money, in no go no say na fake money in carry, in go come reach there, go come the time and say the money where you go na fake. You know the way where this kind of thing they pay person for body because you yourself you don't even know say they don't scam you, and these people they know what thing they do well. So as it be like this, make government not even spend them, make this EFCC no spend whatever law way they won't give them. Make they give them serious one because I sure say this thing way they do it could don't affect so many people life. Now this thing now here I can say make I bring and make myself using her here what thing they happen no as a matter they go. Anything way I feel make now don't forget to write them for the comment section. Make now don't forget to like share and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you now for the next video. Now that don't catch some people, then these people will they always produce fake drinks. You know this kind of big drinks when I go enter club, go they drink. Now all this kind of thing, now these people they produce drinks like Hennessy, Kalahari, now all those kind of things that they produce. Where they're very expensive. They know they even go for like the cheap one. And they talk say this company, this manufacturing company, is there for Anambra people. People they creative, Nigerians. See as we they creative, they all this kind of drinks now, big drinks. People won't sit down, think them. In fact, they get the color, the shape, everything. And so they take get them. Making I watch the video of this place where they catch them, these people.
Been able to discover another what I would call a manufacturing company. This is where they manufacture Hennessy. This is Hennessy VSO. Jesus Christ. In their numbers. See, that the rubber they used to mix it. The team of Anambra State Task Force, in collaboration with NAFDAC, have been able to intercept another factory where these products are being adulterated. This is SO. These are products. These are products. Okay. These are products.
This guy is a big man. You know the fake students, this thing. The kingpin. You know this small thing about the thing. The kingpin.
I don't see this company. They don't even use illegal materials, plastic when they take fresh water. Now they use they store them this Nigerian people. Nigeria the greatest. In fact, are they toilet for na? Are they salute on na? Sabi do things so, but this one are good things. And I know they use them for better thing. Say packaging now. If person give you this thing, you don't go even believe say this thing are fake. They are to make this thing original. If say they don't even catch them, you know how many people don't even drink this kind of thing. You know these people go even go club, they will carry this kind of drink. They didn't go they very expensive, they go still buy them. You know, but this thing they even affect them for. They're not gonna know because they go feel say now the expensive one and they don't go buy. See how people they very creative. But if say you do this your creativity for better place, for good, at least we know say you sabi create this thing. Go find person who go support you, one brand ambassador. Maybe the person go they help you because we serve all these Oyinbo drinks and Oyinbo things. It don't tire us. Make we they create our own Nigerian things. Maybe somebody for even agrees okay, make we serve they create our own Nigerian NSC. But they will give them another name. They will give another brand. Now you can't go thief this thing. They do them exactly. When I watch the video now, everything now the same thing. In fact, the numbers where they go write them small, they get everything. Now people, in fact, nothing they even surprise me for this Nigeria again. So they go still turn agege bread. They go they use the way do what do they even call them? This flour. What they take kukamal. They go still use and mix the flour till they do bread. As it be like this because Nigeria people we too dey creative but now for bad things. Make they fear Nigerians so anywhere when I hear this when I even say green, white, green. In fact, run for your life because people, this kind of people, they sabi think. And I can't wonder people where they this community. This and I don't know say now this thing these people they do for them. People go know but because they fear, they know one great talk. Maybe they tip them. Even the people where they live for the community, they are king. They feel no say this kind of thing they produce for them, but they're gonna behave like say they no. They're gonna keep everything to themselves. E no good because these drugs are being drink what they don't even create now. If you don't even kill person, what person no go know? Una no know the kind of water wey see the drum where they even use. If you be say na normal tap water, where they don't even use any chemical do, now they use to do this thing. They go just go buy normal NSC, come pour am pure water, top am up, pour more sugar. I be wetin they even put. Now they go do come give people, and people go buy am. The one where they even vex me, you go surprise say some people where they sell this thing, they know say na fake they buy. But they go dey sell am for original. People they do am. Everybody go don experience am. You go know say this thing wey they sell, you buy am 15 naira, but you go sell am 50,000 naira. So we just like to dey cheat ourselves. Now we dey do ourselves for this country. Now we dey do ourselves. You wey see this thing, you no go talk. We just dey fall our hand. If you go here, Nigeria don't do this one. If you go here, our Igbo brothers, making us stop all this kind of way na they do. E don tire us. Now go dey complain say Nigeria no good. On ourselves join for the things where they spoil this country. I don't tire. I tire for na matter. Anyway, as it be, now here I won't end this kind of story. Anything when I feel about this thing, where these people they do, making a write down for the comment section. Making a no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you on for our next video.